Is your 2013 Infiniti JX35 key fob not working reliably? It's likely a dead battery. Don't pay dealership prices. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. A new CR2032 battery costs just a few dollars, and the whole process takes under 5 minutes. The 2013 Infiniti JX35 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type powers the fob's radio frequency transmitter and internal circuit. Here's the key fob itself, a black remote with buttons for lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. The battery sits inside this compact device. The CR2032 battery is a 3-volt lithium coin cell with a diameter of 20 millimeters and height of 3.2 millimeters. This provides the steady power needed for reliable key fob operation. CR2032 batteries are common and inexpensive, typically costing $2 to $5 each. You can find them at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. For optimal performance and longevity, make sure to purchase a new, high-quality CR2032 battery from a reputable brand. You'll only need one essential tool: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. This is used to gently open the key fob casing without causing damage. Avoid using excessive force, which could crack the plastic. Working on a non-conductive surface is also recommended to prevent static electricity discharge. Locate the small seam on the back of the key fob. This is where the two halves of the casing meet. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently twist to release the clips holding the casing together. Work your way around the fob, gently prying until the casing separates into two halves. Be patient and avoid forcing it. Remember to be patient and avoid forcing it, as this could damage the key fob. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. A misaligned battery can cause a short circuit, so double-check the orientation. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and snap them back together. Ensure that all the clips are securely fastened. Press firmly around the edges of the fob to ensure a tight seal. Over-tightening can lead to cracks, so be gentle. After reassembly, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. The car should respond as expected. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the casing is properly closed. In rare cases, a circuit board issue may be the cause. If your key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first check that the battery is properly aligned with the positive side facing up, as misalignment can cause short circuits. Also, ensure the casing is fully snapped shut without gaps. To prevent damage from static electricity, avoid touching the circuit board directly. Use an anti-static wrist strap if available to ground yourself before handling electronics. Remember that automotive technology is moving toward digital keys and smartphone integration, which may eliminate the need for physical batteries entirely. Consider this battery replacement as a temporary solution for your 2013 Infiniti JX35. Finally, dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly at a recycling center to prevent environmental harm, as lithium batteries contain materials that should not go in regular trash.